Welcome to our video series introducing you to our new web platform, PartnerXchange. In this video, we will cover the basics of what is available for those with access to the administration menu. There are different levels of privileges and access on PartnerXchange. Users that have administration access will be able to see an additional menu to the dashboard and research menu called Administration. Clicking on the Administration menu will load a drop-down with the choices available. The User screen will list all users created for your company. Currently, Add Users allows you to search for users, but the ability to add users will be added in a future update. Clicking the Edit link will allow the admin to change the way the user's name is displayed, their email address, phone number, and role that they have access to, including the administration role. However, this will also change their login. So for any major changes, please contact the PX support team. The role screen will show a list of all roles available. To add a role, you click the Add Role button, choose a name, and select the permissions and access the role will have. You can alter the permissions on a role by clicking the Edit link. A role must have access to at least one data source. The partner screen will show a list of all partners you have. You can change the settings for partners by clicking on the pencil and notepad icon. The settings available for you to edit include the alerts you receive or the tolerance windows for when documents are considered late. You can also change the default settings by clicking on the Manage Default button. PartnerXchange gives you the option to create partner collections and assign those as roles. PartnerXchange gives you the option to create partner collections and assign those as roles. Target here is assigned to the partner collection Target only. We can create another partner collection by clicking Add New Collection. This screen will allow us to add or remove trading partners as needed to the collection. For this demonstration, let's pretend we have an employee who only works on Bloomingdale's and Nordstrom. I will add both and use a descriptive name for the collection. Once I click Save, I will see the partner administration updated. If I return to the Roles menu, I could add role and choose to only give access to the new partner collection we created. I could then also find the employee and the users menu and only give them access to that role. This way, the employee can focus only on their assigned trading partners. To make any changes to the partner collection, return to the partner screen and click on the partner collection name. From here, you can choose to edit or to delete altogether. The usage report lists all users and the number of conversations viewed, the documents viewed, and logins for the time frame specified. You can also export this report to Excel for your records. The Manage Template Preset screen is where you can make changes to any template that you have created. Clicking on the pencil and notepad icon to edit the preset will load the new document creation screen with the template information saved. Just make your changes and click Save. You can also choose to delete a template preset or to create a new document from the screen as well. PartnerXchange also gives you the opportunity to upload a specific list for each trading partner, including a product list, an address list, and a carrier list. The product list is a list of information about your items that you may be required on your documents. For example, the item name, price, unit of measure, UPC number, the pack quantity, weight, color, and so on. The address list is a list of addresses specific to you or the trading partner. PartnerXchange maintains trading partner address lists for major partners, but this list can be utilized if you need to use additional addresses. Finally, the carrier list is a list of carrier codes and names. This list allows you to quickly pick from carriers that you use frequently or exclusively instead of having to type in or remember the codes and corresponding names. In order to add one, go to the relevant list that you need to add, click Add New, and select a descriptive name for your list. Download the default Excel template. Download the default Excel template and fill in your relevant information. It is okay to leave some columns blank if the information is not relevant to you. The item code, the address code, or the carrier code column must be filled in. This column will be what you use to look up the rest of the information by. Once a list is uploaded, you can assign the list to the partner in the partner screen. A product support specialist will assign the fields in the list to the correct fields on your document. Let's look at some examples. Filling out an 846 inventory report for Target is a lot of information to fill in. However, once set up, a product list will enable you to only select one piece of information about your items, such as an item number or description entered in the item code column. And it will fill in all of the other fields for you by pulling that information from the product list. Similarly, let's say we need to fulfill a shipment for Neiman Marcus, but we have multiple ship from locations. An address list will enable you to only select one piece of information, such as the name or a warehouse store number, and it will fill in all of the other fields for you by pulling that information from the address list. Carrier list will enable you to select the carrier code, and it will fill in the carrier name or the user-defined fields for you. This concludes our video about the administration menu in PartnerXchange. To learn more about the PartnerXchange platform, check out other videos in this series.